Just bought the British pound yen at 16150 at a market price. This is not a limit order. I'm now in this trade. This is a market price, market order, buying the British pound Japanese yen at 16150. I'm going to set my stop loss now because this is quite a volatile financial instrument. Going to set my stop loss before it is too late. Yes. All right. 25 pips, 30 pips. I will set my stop loss 30 pips. I will use 30 pips for this trade. 30. So this is my stop loss here at 16120. Okay, I'm going to call out my stop loss into black. Think of black belts. All right, this to make you laugh a bit. This is my stop loss, the black line here, and my entry is the light green here. Bought it at 16150. This is a live recording, by the way, and the time in London is 9:48 a.m. in New York, 4:48 a.m. on the 26th of April 2016. Okay, so I will explain to you why I'm buying. What I will do in order to avoid that this video is too long. If you want to know why I'm buying the British pound yen, I will refer traders to the video that I call Stochastic Trader Sheds More Light onto the complex stochastic trading. All right, that's the title of that video. Stochastic Trader Sheds More Light onto the complex stochastic trading. All right, I will link it to this video. All right, if I forget, remind me and I will put it back there. Okay, all right, just say, George, where is the link for that video? Stochastic Trader Shed More Light onto the complex stochastic trading. All right, okay, now I'm now in this trade, which is great, but you can see that the price going down is now at 16142. My entry is here, so the price now below my entry. I'm on a 2-minute time frame. Why I'm now on a 2-minute time frame? I need to remind traders that I don't like the 1-minute time frame. I do not recommend to traders to use the 1-minute time frame. Some traders may disagree because if they are using it and it's working for them, that's fine. For me, I don't like the 1-minute time frame. So, all right, I'm zooming into the chart. So there's nothing special about the lower time frame. When we are in the lower time frame, we are zooming into the price to see, what is happening now. We are about to enter the trend. We want to know what is the current, the short-term trend. All right. So I'm not in this trade. All right. I'm going to drop it down because now I enter the trade on the 2-minute time frame. I'm going back to my 5-minute time frame. My stop loss is here, 16120, using 30 pips. The price is coming back down very fast. There's a reason, because there's a resistance at 16135. Let's go back again quickly because we don't want the video to be too long. Going to the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, the price is consolidating between the level of 16050, the red horizontal line, and the orange line here, 16135. A consolidation is taking place on the hourly chart between 16050 and the level of 16135. That's, you see, the top of the consolidation is the orange line. If you go back now to the 5-minute time frame, you can see that the price went above the consolidation on the hourly chart. That's why I bought it here. It's quite aggressive, you have to understand, but I have a reason why I'm buying. The reason is this, the reason why I was quite aggressive here to buy. I was quite courageous or aggressive to buy here It's because of what the price has done. You can see that the price from the lower part of the consolidation, which is the red line that you can see here on my 5-minute time frame, the price ran very fast. Okay, can you see that? It ran very fast. Okay, very bullish. Okay, break this resistance. Okay, it ran, it just went boom, 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 up, almost to the top in one leg. Okay, it just went from the lower part almost to the top. Okay, it's quite bullish. Normally, because it's a consolidation, it should go up a bit, pull back before going up again near the top. But it went straight away from the lower part of the consolidation and straight to the top, almost to the top. And then here, trader took profits. How do I know? Because when there is a consolidation, traders who buy at the lower part of the consolidation will be willing to take profit on or near the top of the consolidation. But look, as they brought it from the lower part of the consolidation, the price ran all the way here. As they took profit, look, the price didn't go down very much. Now, if I use a Fibonacci retracement, my friend, you will see that this is a very tiny retracement. A tiny retracement means that the price is quite bullish. 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So though they bought it from the lower part of the consolidation and bring it all the way to the top of the consolidation, they took only a tiny profit. Not only that, the price continued to go up and breaks above the top of the consolidation. That's why I didn't wait for a pullback very much. I was quite aggressive to join them here. All right? But if you want to know the reason why I'm buying, okay, which means which trading setup, okay, I'm using here, you need to watch the video that I titled Stochastic Trader Sheds More Light onto the Complex Stochastic Trading. That video, we will post it, okay, it's not yet posted, I will post it at George Trio YouTube channel. So look for that video, Stochastic Trader Shed More Light onto the Complex Stochastic Trading at George Trio YouTube channel, okay? So I explained to you why I was quite aggressive, quite courageous to buy it straight away here, okay? All right. So my stop loss is still here. The price is trying to come down a bit. It's now above the consolidation, which is good. It dropped down. People bought it again. You see the tail of this candle. So I'm quite happy. All right. In fact, I'm going to go now. Let's go to the hourly chart. Okay, I don't have the room here because I want to set a target. My greedy target for the British pound yen. I need to remind you, trader, that this currency pair is quite volatile. Okay, if you are not an experienced trader, okay, an experienced Forex trader, I will recommend to you to stay away, all right, from the British pound yen. It's quite volatile. Okay, going back again to my 5-minute time frame. I want to use what we call Fibonacci extension. Okay, so if you don't know what is a Fibonacci extension, or you don't know how to trade Fibonacci extension like a pro, okay, subscribe to the Pro Traders YouTube channel. Okay, so you may understand how to use Fibonacci extensions like a pro. So price drop down to 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level on the 5-minute time frame, as I show you already. I'm going to set a target, okay, for my bullish trend that I'm already in. Hopefully I can see all my Fibonacci extension level. Oops. It's quite messy here. Okay. Well. The lines are here, but it's not very clear. Trying to zoom into the chart. Bear with me, please, my friends. This is just about what's going on. Okay, now there's a All right, all right, all right. I'm looking for my Fibonacci extension levels, but they are not very clear. I can't see them clearly on my chart. Here it is on the 4-hour chart. I can see them now because I want to set my greedy target. Here it is. This is my greedy target here. At 161.72. All right. Okay. It's not quite greedy. It's 161.72. It's not greedy because I bought it at 161.50. 161. I want to be. I want more than that. Okay. Because of the risk that I'm taking, I want more than that. Okay. Seven four. Nope. I want more than that. Okay. All right. All right. All right. I'll remove my Fibonacci drawing. Okay. On my chart. Let's go to the hourly chart. Okay. We are in this zone. If I use the size for my 16050, yes, I'll use the width of my consolidation on the hourly chart. Here it is, the width of my consolidation on the hourly chart. I'll project it above, okay, that consolidation to set my target, okay? Because I want more profit out of this trade, okay? Because the British pound yen can go very fast. So we can expect even up to 100 pips out of this trade, all right? 16224. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to set my target there. And I'll color my target into turquoise. Here it is. All right. So this is my target here, the turquoise line, 16224. All right. To take my profit there. So prior reaches that level, profit will be cash straight away, cash out. Okay. 16224. I'm still here. I'm still here, my friend. Okay. All right. Now, so we are now in this trade. We set our stop loss. Our target at 16224. Entry at 16150. Stop loss 161. Okay, 20 using a 30 pip for this trade. Let's go back to the 5-minute time frame to check what's happening here. Okay, so it's all working beautifully. So you can see that my stop loss is here intact. Okay, the price did not try to kick me out. All right, here we are. So it's now coming down again, but I'm not going to move my stop loss for this trade. Sometimes I do move my stop loss, but for this trade, I will not move my stop loss. Okay, all right. For traders who want to know why I'm trading this, we have a complex stochastic situation here. On the daily chart, you can see that the stochastic 833 is overbought, pointing to us a resistance level, but the price breaks above that resistance level and finds supports, all right? So that's why we are looking for opportunity to buy, though the stochastic was overbought. It's a complex stochastic, okay, because on the daily chart it's overbought, but on the hourly chart it's oversold. This is a complex stochastic, but the attention now is on the resistance level on the hourly chart. The price is now above that resistance level. That resistance was 160. No, in fact, it was 160.05. That's the resistance that the stochastic is pointing to us on the daily chart. And also the pink trend line. You see the pink trend line? Okay, those are the resistance that the stochastic is pointing to us on the daily chart. But on the hourly chart, the stochastic is oversold, pointing to us, okay, the same key level, all right, 16005 and the pink trend line. All right, because the price breaks above those resistance level, we can look for opportunity to buy. On the hourly chart, we can see that the price is consolidating. Trader will look for opportunity to sell at the top of the consolidation and look for opportunity to buy below the consolidation. But, my friend, if the price breaks above the consolidation, which it did now, it means that the bullish momentum is increasing. Price going up, we must pay attention to the first and nearer resistance level. That's why I'm buying above the consolidation at 16150. I need to remind once again new traders that this currency pair is quite volatile. If you are a new trader, all right, or a beginner, stay away from the British pound yen because it's very, very volatile. And it requires bigger stop loss. Even my 30 pip is not enough. I'm happy with it because I'm buying at the top of the consolidation. If they kick me out, well, I will look for another opportunity to re-enter the trade. All right. As we are recording this video live, I don't want the video to be too long. All right. I'll be talking to you now for 16 minutes, 25 seconds. With your permission, can we pause the video for the first time? All right. So let's pause the video. I'm now in this trade, 16150. That's my entry. My stop loss, 16120. Greedy target, all right, is at 16224. All right. Can we pause it or leave it? Let's run it a bit. There's something else going on here. It's about Elliott wave, all right, but I will not change the topic of this video into Elliott wave, but I just want to mention to traders that the first Elliott wave is the wave that breaks out of the consolidation zone. So we will see whether the bullish momentum will continue or not. So the price going out is looking for a better resistance level. We want to know where are the resistance level, and we go one step at a time. One step at a time. If, for instance, that's why I'm using 30 pips because it's quite volatile, but a risky trade because I'm buying quite close to the top of the consolidation. Normally, I told you that I'm quite aggressive to enter the trade straight away here. Normally, what we should do, a conservative trader, will have weights, all right, for the price to break the above. See here, right, it breaks above. We will prefer it to go up more. This is not enough above the consolidation. We will prefer it to go a little bit more up and then pull back, to retest it and to confirm it as a support level before we will buy. So breaks above, retest, and turn around. You can see that I entered the trade a bit early. I didn't wait for it to pull back and to retest this level before I buy. I just bought it straight away here, and I explained to you why I was a courageous and aggressive trader in this case already. This price action all from the lower part to the top with a pullback 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. That's why I bought it here. It's quite risky. Because it's risky, I don't want to use too much pips. You understand? If it was not too risky, I may use my normal 50 pip for this currency pair because this currency pair, 30 pip is not enough. But because this trade is a little bit risky, I need to minimize my risk. If it's too risky, do not use too much pips, all right? All right? So I think I said enough. Let's pause the video, for the first time, and I'll come back to it and see whether I've been kicked out of the train or whether I'm still hanging there, fighting like a donkey, all right? It's to make you laugh a bit, It makes sense? All right, it makes sense? The trading setup is stochastic overbought on the daily chart, oversold on the hourly chart, but the price breaks above the resistance level. This is bullish, but the price breaks above the resistance level. That's my trading setup. It's a complex stochastic trading, all right? Now you can see that I do not use one time frame alone. Okay, I was using different time frame. So we see a trading setup. Now we must implement what we call a top-down trading method. We went to the weekly chart, daily chart, okay, hourly chart. We are not violating the market pattern. On the hourly chart, we see there is a consolidation. The market pattern will determine the appropriate trading method, trading strategy. All right. All right. So the trading setup is not a signal, it's not an entry. All right. After we see a trading setup, we implement a top-down trading method. A TSTW24 trader see a trading setup, he or she will go to the first best time frame to start trading on the edge. On any time frame, draw the channel, okay? Here, if now we are on the 5-minute time frame, okay? We know that the consolidation is taking place on the hourly chart. Now on the 5-minute time frame, all right? I have too many things running on my chart, okay? Processing. I'm doing a video editing now. You know that the video editing will take too much of okay, my computer, okay, time and energy. Here it is. I'm editing a video and recording a video and all sort of thing going on. So, all right. So on a 5-minute time frame, you can see here we have okay, a rising chart now developing here. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes, good. So far so good. We are hanging there. It's good, very important. 30p for this currency pair. If it's a successful trade and we get paid, that's a beautiful trade. 30 pips. And, okay, bigger profits, great, excellent. But we will see, all right? So I'm now on the 5-minute time frame. But before we pause the video, I would like to switch to the 3-minute time frame, one of my favorite time frame. And I will place a vertical line at the point where we are pausing the video, this live recording for the first time, all right? Color my vertical line in turquoise, right there. That's it. So let's pause the video for the first time, okay? And I will come back to it and show you whether I have been kicked out of this train or whether I'm hanging in there or whether I even get paid, all right? If there's something more interesting taking place, I'll quickly come back, okay? And, all right, show you more of this trade, all right? So pausing the video for the first time after 23 minutes. This is live recording on the 26th of April 2016. The time in London is okay, 10 minutes past 10 a.m. In New York, 10 minutes past 5 a.m. Okay, pausing the video for the first time. Speak to you soon. The time in London is now 58 minutes past 10 a.m. It's now 59 minutes past 10 a.m. In New York, 59 minutes past 5 a.m. On the 26th of April 2016, live recording. We paused the video here when I placed the turquoise vertical line and the British pound, Japanese yen. You can see it went down to retest at the top of the consolidation, went back up and pulled back. We have a small consolidation taking place on this 5-minute time frame. I am a little bit under pressure now because my stop loss is just here and the price is going down a little bit. But as I told you, I will not move my stop loss. If they kick me out, I will look for another entry point, okay? So move my move my vertical line right here. And just to update you guys about what has happened since we paused the video, I will pause it again for the second time and we will see what will happen, okay? So speak to you soon. I want to buy again the British pound Japanese yen at 16134. This is a limit order. That order is going to be filled now. 16434. Yes, I'm now in this trade, buying the British pound yen for the second time. So this is my new entry. Has been filled now at 16434. Okay. So I have a two position now open. The first one at 16150, all right, and the second one at 16134. I will use again 30 pip for my second trade. So I'm going to set my stop loss at 16404 for my second trade. Going to color it also into black. All right. You can see that for my first stop loss, the price came quite close. Let's zoom into it. All right. Come on, come on. All right. So you can see it came quite close to my stop loss. Came down to 16122. My stop loss was at 16120. And now from there, it just changed the direction very fast. Giving me another chance to buy again because it's quite bullish. If we go to the 1 minute time frame, I want to show you something very fast. You can see how the price came down here. You see, it came down 1, 2, 3, 4, all right, and then it came down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, looking at the price structures here, how the price came down, that's why I'm buying again for the second time here at 16134. All right. So because you can see that the bearish momentum was strong here, you see here, was strong, and the price rally up. You can see this rally a little bit up here. All right. The shadow on top of this candle, and they sold it down as the price came quite close to my stop loss. It quickly changed direction and started running away. All right, it started running away. In fact, it was running fast. You see, here it was start. This attention, please. You see this section here. This 1 second, please. All right, you see this candlestick bar here. This one here. All right. The price went up all the way here, which is quite bullish, but it came down close here. You can see it close below the entry point. I'm talking about this candle here on the 1 minute time frame, followed by this bullish candle here that was running fast. That's why I placed my order here to buy. Okay, so this candlestick bar and this one is quite bullish, and that's why I buy again for the second time at 16134. All right, so I survived the pressure here, and now it's going back up. Okay, it's pulling back again. So we will see what will happen. Okay, you can see that a lot of high frequency traders are trading here, playing with the stochastic on a 1 minute time frame. Overbought, they are selling and buying. But I'm looking at the bigger picture, and I will not move my stop loss at all. Okay, all right. So I have two trades. Okay, two trades that are open now. Okay, here they are. Okay, second trade at 16134, stop loss at 16104, using a 30 pip again. All right. The first trade we were in entry point 16150, stop loss 16120. Okay, going to go back again to my 3 minute time frame, and we will pause the video for the third time. Okay, and I will come back to it. Okay, so pausing the video right here, and the time in London is 19 minutes past 11 a.m. In New York, 19 minutes past 6 a.m. on the 26th of April 2016. Pausing the video, okay, for the third time. Okay, speak to you soon. Okay, traders, it's working beautifully. You can see that the price, we paused the video here, and it went up. There was a consolidation between these two green lines, and then after that there is a breakout. Now I close my second trade. Okay, my second trade is now closed. The one that I entered 16134. Okay, I now close it. Okay, it's done, finished. Okay, all right. That's 40 pips out of this trade very fast. Second trade at 16134, close at okay, right now. So this second trade has been successful. We are still in the first trade, which I enter at 16150. My greedy target is quite high. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, that's my greedy target, the turquoise horizontal line, using the width of the consolidation on the hourly chart. So you can see it's heading towards my greedy target at 16224. That's the width of the consolidation on the hourly chart. So as I show you, this is a beautiful trade using 30 pip for the British pound, Japanese yen. Is quite remarkable because it's quite volatile currency pair. My first trade was quite aggressive entry, but is holding nicely, and I'm still in that first trade. I opened a second trade at 16134. Now I close that trade. Okay, so we will see whether, okay, you can see now on the hourly chart that the price now at this resistance zone. Okay, here it is. After breaking above, hold on please. Okay, trying to zoom into my chart. All right, what's going on here? Trying to zoom into it to see clearly. A moment please, traders. Oh, yeah. Okay, I leave it as it is now. Okay. Going to the 30-minute time frame because I have too many lines here and I'm trying to zoom into my chart. Just getting a bit frustrating because what's going on? Okay, now, okay, all right. Well, going back again to the 3-minute time frame, and it's working beautifully. That's what I can say. You see this it's a breakout here because the consolidation on the hourly chart was between 16050 and the orange line here at 16135. Now we have a breakout. After the price breaks above the orange line, you can see we have another consolidation on top of okay, the hourly chart okay, consolidation session. There is this a small session here on the 3-minute time frame. There was another consolidation here, and then after that just break out. Okay, it's now heading towards okay, our target at 162. Okay, which is beautiful. 16224, which is beautiful. Okay, all right. So a bit of gamble for the first trade, quite aggressive, all right, but it works in beautifully. I want to show traders once more time. Our trading setup was a complex stochastic trading setup. I don't know what's going on. Why I can't zoom into my chart today? All right. So this was a complex stochastic trading method because the price when it was the stochastic 833 was in overbought zone, pointing to us a resistance level at 16005. But on the hourly chart, the stochastic 833 was oversold right here where I put my green spot here was oversold. All right. So in that scenario, the price must break above the resistance level and find a support, okay, and start displaying high, low, high before we can buy, because stochastic oversold is pointing to a support level, stochastic overbought is pointing to us a resistance level. We will highlight that resistance level, but if the price breaks above that resistance level and find a support, we can buy, okay. As we came to the hourly chart that time, we noticed that there was a consolidation on the hourly chart between the level of 16050, okay, and this level here 16135, okay. So the best place was to buy at the lower part of the consolidation, okay. But as you can see, I show you on the on the 5-minute time frame. I explained to you why I quickly, okay, buy, because the price, okay, when it was quite bullish, it went up from the lower part of the consolidation, the hourly chart, okay, to the top of the consolidation, okay. All right. I'm going to go back to my 3-minute time frame. And where is it? What is my vertical line? Okay. It's a bit too much for my computer now because I have too many things running here. Let's pause the video again one more time. Okay. So I'm going to pause it for the 4th time. I have another vertical line somewhere here. I'm looking for it, but I can't see it. So I'll place another one here. Okay, color in turquoise. That's my vertical line. On a 3-minute time frame, you can see the price coming down a bit. This is normal. If you look also at the time of the day, it's 1:20. Yes, I will not close my first trade. I'll leave it like this, and because I'll leave it like this for now, and see what will happen. Okay. All right. So it's now 21 minutes past 1 p.m. in London, and in New York, 21 minutes past 8 a.m. on the 26th of April 2016. Okay, a live recording. Okay, this is a trading live Forex and British pound yen, FX tips. Let's pause the video. Is it the 4th time? Okay, let's pause the video one more time, and I will come back to it. Okay, to update you guys. Okay. Speak to you soon. Hello traders, here we are. You can see that the price has reached our target at 16224. I'm now out of my 2 trade, profitable trade. The first trade with 74 pips, very fast, 74 pips. Enter the trade at 16150. And a stop loss 30 pip below. All right, it has been a successful trade. For the first trade was a quite aggressive trade, a little bit risky trade above the consolidation on the hourly chart, but slowly but surely the price is now at the target level 16224, using the width of the range, the consolidation range on the hourly chart. As the first trade was open, okay, the price tried to take me out of my trade, but it couldn't. It went down all the way to 16122. My stop loss was 2 pip below. Couldn't take me out. As it started going up again, I re-entered the trade at 16134. Therefore, I had 2 positions. And I closed the second trade with 40 pips, and the first trade with 74 pips. This was a complex stochastic trading method. The stochastic 833 was overbought on the daily chart and was oversold on the hourly chart. The price breaks above that resistance level, okay, 16105, but there was a consolidation on the hourly chart. The best place to buy is at the lower part of the consolidation, But we have noticed that the price ran very fast from the lower part of the consolidation on the hourly chart and was quickly at the top of the consolidation, giving us the indication that the bullish momentum is very strong. As it breaks above the top of the consolidation, we decided to enter the trade at 16150. This is the end of this video tutorial, about trading live Forex and British pound, Japanese yen, FS tips. If you have any question, please put in the comment section. Have any suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course we'll answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about trading live Forex and British pound yen, FS tips. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. I would like to remind new traders that the pound yen currency pair is quite volatile. It's not for children, it's not for beginners. It's quite volatile. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.